technical room and acid room. The general design of the technical room is that the room should have enough ventilation. It must be efficient high enough so that the pipework can run to the scrubbing area. In this room, electrical and water connections should be prepared. Also the pipework for the wastewater. The room itself should be protected from frost and should have access doors. It's recommended that the floor of the technical room is coated as well. Acid room. The piping of the acid and alkaline must be maximum 50 meters away from the ejection point in a technical room. Also, this room should be ventilated and should have electrical and water connections prepared. The room should be frost protected, and there should be an access door of 2400 mm wide and 2200 mm high for access for the acid and alkaline tanks. The pump, safety materials and emergency shower must always be free accessible, and it's recommended that the floor is coated as well. On the left we can see the emergency shower, emergency equipment, Irish bottle and the acid and alkaline pumps. This is the end of the chapter regarding building and ventilation requirements of a built-in scrubber.